Okay, today we want to talk briefly about why it is important to have your outside general contractors go through your safety training and also to look at their safety training background. First of all, when you have a contractor come into your facility, he is your temporary employee. He is in your house. And some of your safety may be different than some of the safety back at his home office. So, first thing that I would suggest that you do is that you look over their safety training records and any certificate that they may have. Second, I would require them to go through some of your in-house safety requirements and training, particularly those that are going to be applicable to what they're doing. If they're working with electricity, then certainly I'd want them to know about your lockout tagout requirements. I would not make it a Harvard Law School long training, but enough that they get their feet wet about what your safety concerns are, what your safety requirements are, and be sure and always record any safety training that you do and have them sign it.